Hi, my name is Christanna Colomb, and today's vocal essay will be about the 3 levels of selection. Through pages 501 to 504 of Skinner's 1981 work titled Selection by Consequences, Skinner discusses how behavior isn't just random or based on choice. It is shaped over time by the consequences that follow it, meaning behaviors that lead to reinforcement are more likely to happen again across 3 levels of selection. According to Skinner on pages 502 to 503, these levels are known as phylogenetic, ontogenic, and cultural, which reflects selection at the level of the species, the individual, and the culture. The first level of selection is phylogenetic. It concerns the traits of a species that are passed down from generation to generation for the aid of survival. An example of phylogenetic selection is the color of one's skin. Those who have more melanin in their skin tone tend to be more protected from the sun's harmful exposures. The second level of selection is ontogenic. This level is about how an individual's behavior is constructed or shaped over their lifetime through the consequences of reinforcement or punishment. An example of ontogenic selection would be the behavior of code switching. There are individuals who speak a certain way or use certain language with their friends or peers that they wouldn't use with colleagues, those older than them, or in a professional setting. This behavior is shaped by consequences, such as social acceptance or approval in different environments. The third level of selection is cultural. In this level, behaviors, traditions, and values are shared within a group and are reinforced by the group. Therefore, this reinforcement maintains those behaviors over time. An example of cultural selection would be traditions or holiday celebrations passed down in a family. These traditions are maintained because they are reinforced by family members through participation, expectations to participate, and shared values. A social issue that is impacted by the 3 levels of selection is ethnicity. At the first level, ethnicity relates to physical traits like facial features, skin color, and hair type. According to Skinner in Selection by Consequences, these features are passed down through generations because of their influence on survival in various environments, as traits develop over time based on how individuals interact with their environment. That could be found in page 501. Ethnic groups have varying physical traits due to the adaptations to the environments their ancestors experienced. At the ontogenic level, ethnicity can influence an individual's behavior through learned experiences. Let's take it back to the code switching example from earlier. Individuals may engage in this kind of behavior depending on social consequences they have experienced, such as acceptance or disapproval in different settings. At the cultural level, ethnicity is strongly connected to shared traditions, values, and norms that are maintained within a group. Usually those within the same ethnicity share similar traditions, values, and norms. These cultural practices continue over time because they are reinforced by members of that group or ethnicity. Ethnicity is not just about identity, but it is influenced by multiple factors across the 3 levels of selection, including traits passed down across generations, behaviors shaped by social experiences, and cultural practices that are reinforced over time.